at the Hyderabad airport. I was supposed to board flight 6E169 to Kochi. So my takeoff was yesterday evening 7:30 p.m. So I reached the airport with my father at roughly 6 p.m. yesterday. We were told the flight was on time. We are now touching a little bit past the 12-hour mark. We've been at the airport. Indigo has given us no clarity. It's not just my flight. There are roughly 4 or 5 other flights that have also been cancelled along with mine. Not even cancelled. They haven't even told us it's been cancelled. They've just been telling us it's been delayed indefinitely. And you can probably hear people in the background protesting. They're just trying to get some sort of resolution. We've had no communication from the senior ups at Indigo. Beyond that, we've also just struggled to get any form of recourse. So they've not provided us with accommodation, no clarity, no food, no water.
The flight operations in the country of Indigo has been hit very hard due to the shortage of staff. It's been seen from last few hours that many people has been stuck inside the airport because of the non-operations of Indigo's flight. We are at the Mumbai airport, and over here outside the domestic T1 terminal you can see there are people who is standing outside to find out what is happening and will be they able to go inside the airport and board the flight. There are people who are standing in the queue. There are many people who has been facing troubles for many hours. You can see in the visuals that there are conversation between some of the people and the staff of Indigo is still on. We will try to speak out with some people that what else is happening. Sir, what is happening over here?
We are standing in the queue since last 2.5 hours. We are going for a Chennai flight is cancelled. So many flights are cancelled. Nobody is there to inform us. Nobody is guiding us, and there is no option where to go. We have a return flight also, but nobody is informing what will happen. No refund, no stay, no compensation, nothing.
So what are these staff members of Indigo is telling you? What are the exact reason why the cancellation has
don't
happened?
know. They have a operational difficulty. God knows. Last 3 days, everything or many flights are getting cancelled. Still, there is unsure about whether the flights will go on or not. We are not sure. We have a return flight also.
What do you want right now? Because the situation is getting very much worse over here in Mumbai also. We had seen in many cities of India that this type of situation has occurred. What do you want right now?
We want the right service and the right people and resolution of the problems what they have. So why the citizens should suffer? Because we are paying, and in spite of payment, we are not getting the service.
Yeah, tell me what you want to say. What has happened and from how much time you are standing over here in this large queue?
So actually, it's been 2 days. I was at Indore, and multiple flight got cancelled. I rescheduled it, and again it is cancelled. Now I booked a connecting flight. I am in Mumbai, and now it is delayed by 10 hours. And ultimately I got to know this is also cancelled. And my baggage is in the airline. But how do I claim it? I don't know. I'm just putting my address over here, and they will give it to me. I don't know. Might be my luggage to Chennai. It is in Mumbai. I don't know.
What's the major issue that they are telling you that why the flights are cancelled?
Basically, as per my understanding, DGCA regulation came up, and some pilot hartal and everything is going on. They have a staff shortage also. So might be everything came up into this particular point of time. तो हो सकता है कि इसकी वजह से एकदम इशू हो गया हो. बट एटलीस्ट इनका जो है, इनके हेड या अप्रूवर को इनको साथ में रखना चाहिए. साथ में 2-3 सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगाने चाहिए ताकि पूरी क्यू एक जैसी बनी रहे. अभी यहाँ पे 4-5 क्यू एक साथ आके आ रही है. वो बोल रहे कि मैं इधर आऊँ. एटलीस्ट यार, या फिर यहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी को ध्यान रखना चाहिए, या फिर यहाँ के अप्रूवर को ध्यान रखना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट या अगर इमीडिएट है तो इमीडिएट रिक्वायरमेंट होनी चाहिए.
You can see the problems which has been faced by many travelers. There are many other people. क्या दिक्कत हुआ है सर, बताइए हमें.
रीशेड्यूल करते हैं फ्लाइट का. और पहले हम दुबई से आ रहे थे, 2 दिन से यहाँ पे स्टे कर रहे हैं. फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो रही है, फिर रीशेड्यूल करके देते हैं, वो भी कैंसिल हो रही है. इन्फॉर्मेशन तक नहीं इनके पास में कि एटलीस्ट फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई तो बता दे बंदे को, पैसेंजर को. वो भी नहीं करते ये लोग. बोलते हैं हमको नहीं पता है.
बोर्डिंग पास दिखाइए. कब के बोर्डिंग पास हैं आपके? ये
बोर्डिंग पास है.
कब के हैं ये? If you can see in the visuals that this gentleman is facing a lot of problem. He has been traveling from Dubai, and this is the third time his flight has been cancelled. These are the boarding pass which you can see on your screens right now. क्या मांग है आपकी? What you want to say about it? Because आप कितने घंटे से खड़े हैं यहाँ पर?
2 दिन से खड़े हैं सर, 2 दिन से
पूरा दिन खड़े हैं?
हो रही है, पूरा दिन खड़े हैं। कहाँ जाएंगे अभी? कहाँ जाना? हमको पटना जाना है, दुबई से मैं आया हूँ, अभी कैसे जाऊँ? दूसरा फ्लाइट ले नहीं सकते।
क्या कह रहे हैं एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज? क्या कह रहे हैं आपको?
इनको कुछ पता ही नहीं है, बोलते हैं हमारे पास इन्फॉर्मेशन ही नहीं है, बस दूसरा फ्लाइट रीशेड्यूल कर लो, फिर दूसरा भी कैंसिल करवा लो आराम से। ये लोग खुद ही कर देंगे बाद में। इनको खुद नहीं पता होता कि हाँ फ्लाइट जा रही है नहीं जा रही है, पूछो तो बताते नहीं है। कहाँ जाएगा पैसेंजर?
If you can see that the situation is getting worse at the airport throughout the country, and over here where we were standing, it's Mumbai's domestic airport, one of the busiest airport you can see in the country right now. There are people who is standing in this queue from morning 5 o'clock, but still there is no confirmation that they will be getting any flights today or not. The continuous things which has been said to this passenger is that the staff members and the airlines is trying to arrange things, but there was some gentleman who just said he's in Mumbai from last 2 days and he's trying to get to his hometown but unable to go over there because of the flight cancellation. It will be very, very important to see what will happen now throughout the day, because there are many people who is standing in the queue from last so many hours.